Here is the video of the explanation about the lesson Unit 4. You are going to learn about animals with amazing characteristics and how to use abilities in context. This lesson needs your understanding on the use of ability for both animals and people. Let's get started. Here is the learning map of Unit 4. To learn lesson Unit 4, take more attention to the following learning map. The theme is Amazing Animals, with the topic discussing about certain animals with amazing characteristics they can do. Then, the language focus is using the modal auxiliary can for showing the ability. The context of learning is understanding how can people or animals show their abilities at something. Have a watch and get the points of lessons. Take a look at the lesson description. In this lesson, students learn about the ability can of animals and people at something. They use language focus can for describing and explaining the ability. Ability is something that people or animals can do. Here is a warming up for the lesson. Take a look at these pictures. What are thinking of these animals? Yes, they are amazing animals. As you can see, there are octopus, shark, camel, and giraffe. They are amazing because they have abilities which the other animals don't have. Context of the lesson you should know. Let's see animals and abilities. For sea animals, we have got octopus and shark. An octopus is amazing because it can squirt ink and change its color. Shark is amazing because it can grow new teeth in 6 days, and it can't stop moving. What are you thinking of these animals? They are incredible animals. A giraffe is amazing because it can clean up ears with its long tongue. A camel is amazing because it can survive without water for a few days. To learn this lesson, you have to know. Showing ability with can. Can is the modal auxiliary used to show the ability. Ability is something that people or animals can do. Can is followed with the base verbs such as swim, speak, squirt, clean, and others. For example, an octopus can squirt ink. So, can is followed with base verb is the way to show the ability. After getting the lesson explained, let's take them into practice. Practice 1. What is something amazing about octopus? An octopus is an ocean animal which lives at the bottom of the sea. It has got 8 tentacles. When an octopus is in danger, it can squirt ink to attack its enemy. Also, it can change its color. What an amazing animal! Practice 2. What is something amazing about shark? Shark is a predator which kills its prey for food. It has got sharp teeth. After killing its prey, some teeth get off. It can grow the new teeth in 6 days. Also, it can't stop moving. What an amazing animal! Practice 3. What is something amazing about camel? A camel is a 4-legged animal which lives on the desert. Its habitat is less stock of water. So, it can survive without water for a few days. Also, it can't sweat. How great it is! Practice 4. What is something amazing about giraffe? A giraffe is a long-necked animal which eats young leaves on the top of tree. Its height reaches up to 6 meters tall. It has got 21 inches tongue, so, it can clean up ears with its long tongue. How incredible it is! Here is the framework of learning. Listen to the dialogue carefully. What is something amazing about octopus? Harry asked. When an octopus is in danger, it can squirt ink to attack its enemy. Also, it can change its color, Jack answered. What an amazing animal! Harry surprised. That's true, Jack replied. What is something amazing about camel? Harry asked. Its habitat is less stock of water. So, it can survive without water for a few days. Also, it can't sweat, Jack answered. How great it is! Harry exclaimed. How to ask about one's ability. Pay attention to the following example. What language can you speak? I can speak English very well. Besides English, I can also speak Mandarin a little bit. Let's learn. The question of what language can you speak is asking the ability of someone. Meanwhile, I can speak English very well. Besides English, I can also speak Mandarin a little bit is the answer to showing someone's ability. Get to know the way of asking one's ability. What sport can you play? I can play football very well. I can score many goals in the match. The other sport, I can play badminton a little bit. Writing lesson. A paragraph of explanation. Amazing animals. In this lesson, you will learn about paragraph of explanation. Here is an example of the paragraph. Read carefully. A world of animals is full of different kinds of animals with their characteristics. Some of the animals are ordinary, and the others are amazing. Here are two animals with amazing characteristics. An octopus is an ocean animal which lives at the bottom of the sea. It has got 8 tentacles. When an octopus is in danger, it can squirt ink to attack its enemy. Besides that, it can change its color. Another amazing animal is camel. A camel is a 4-legged animal which lives on the desert. Its habitat is less stock of water. So, it can survive without water for a few days. Also, it can't sweat. Those are animals with amazing characteristics. To know how to write the paragraph of explanation, take a look at the following explanation. The introductory sentence is a world of animals is full of different kinds of animals with their characteristics. Then, you explain with examples. Explanatory example 1 for amazing animal 1. Explanatory example 2 for amazing animal 2. They are the contents of paragraph. Finally, you write the conclusion. It means that you end the paragraph.
Octopus ink is deadly, even for the octopus. The ink is a seemingly innocent mixture of mucus and melanin. Melanin, the same dark pigment found in skin, hair, and eyes, also happens to contain the chemical compound tyrosinase, which can impair a predator's sight, taste, and smell. Octopuses and other cephalopods may use their ink to distract, confuse, and paralyze their predators. This mucus mixture may even block a fish's gills, causing the fish to suffocate. If an octopus cannot escape its own ink, its respiratory systems may be compromised, causing the octopus to suffocate and die. Octopuses are masters of mimicry and camouflage. They can trigger cells just underneath the surface of their skin to change color. The cells, called chromatophores, contain sacs of pigment that can turn various shades within milliseconds. Some octopuses, such as the common octopus, can also imitate textures. They can warp small segments of their skin called papillae to match textured environments. Species like the mimic octopus are able to not only camouflage themselves, but also manipulate the shape of their bodies to impersonate other animals. Their wily mimicry, along with many other curious characteristics, are just a few reasons why octopuses are captivating creatures.